Welcome to American Beach Chaloon.
Thank you, ma'am.
American Beach was founded in 1935 by Abraham Lincoln Lewis.
His name is like the president that signed the Emancipation Proclamation?
Yes, he was a president too.
Fatru?
Fatru Chilen.
He was the president of the Afro-American Life Insurance Company. He was Florida's first Black millionaire.
This is where he spent time with his grandchildren. This is Nana.
Like Nanaquet, our Gullah Geechee queen and chiefess.
Yes, Nana can also be used for a royal leader or chief.
I call my grandma that. Mr. Lewis and his wife, Mary Kingsley Sammis Lewis, would have been proud of their great-grandchildren.
John Betsch is internationally recognized percussionist. Johnetta Betsch Cole is an internationally known anthropologist and college president. We call her Sister President. The beach lady MaVynee Betsch was a world-renowned opera diva and unofficial mayor of American Beach.
The beach lady sang in Europe and became a millionaire too. She donated her money to environmental causes.
The beach lady fought to protect Nana and to have American Beach Museum created.
Wow!
She was on the Gullah Geechee Nation's Wisdom Circle Council of Elders.
The highway has her name. Can we go inside and learn more about her and the beach?
Absolutely! Let's walk inside together. We may even dance to honor the beach lady.